It is March unto E, and this is I'm making a driving video going to what's the name? M&J
Country Buffet.
Country Buffet.
Yeah.
Which reminds me of a joke I heard.
Oh,
that I told you a long time ago.
Okay.
There's this woman wanted to join the Key Club, but she didn't have a key. So she joined the Country Club instead.
Oh no, I know where this is going.
Country Club?
Yeah, that's where it's going.
We'll start out my visit with some good jokes.
That's right. And good food. Yeah. I know there's going to be a place where I turn right.
Republicans have turned right.
Yeah, they have. You comfortable, dear?
So far, yes. Okay. Yeah, this feels good.
Yeah.
If I hold it closer to the window, but then I'm uncomfortable. Is there a way to pull the seat up front?
There might be something underneath.
Yeah,
or on the side.
Pull it. Yeah.
There you go. That should be better.
Gives me a little more room too.
I hope I have my camera up because I want to take pictures. I put it here. Okay, where did it go? Sometimes weird shit happens. I put something somewhere and then it disappears.
Yes.
That causes me anxiety.
If it's something important, I could get anxious over it too. This is our neighborhood Walmart.
Are there any porno places here?
I'm sure there are.
There probably are, but we don't know about them.
Well, Andy took me to a couple of them.
Oh?
Drew took you to a couple of porn places? I guess this is when the two of you were semi-friends.
Or at least tolerated each other. What the fuck is that asshole doing? Did you see that?
No, I didn't see anything.
Some pest, piece of shit came up to the car and he was yay close.
Oh. Pay no attention to the men behind the curtain.
You mean like our owners? Oh. Yeah, there was a hidden message in there.
Huh?
That the king really is the man behind the curtain, while his owners paid him off to get away with all this shit. That's been going on for centuries. That's been going on since the days of ancient Babylon. You know where Babylon is located?
On Long Island.
No, not that Babylon.
I know. I'm kidding.
Okay.
It's located where Iraq is. Somewhere around there.
Yeah.
I keep putting my finger in front of the freaking lens. I don't think I moved the thing up far enough. Well, that's about as far as I could move it.
Yeah. You don't want to feel too scrunched up either.
Well, now that thing don't get in the way of my video.
Yeah.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah. Ugh.
So the only thing they have that I like will be chicken and Salisbury steak?
Oh, there should be other things too. There's always a variety of things at these places. Yeah, and there are several Chinese buffets, 3 of them that we'll be going to, and they're all really great. And of course, there's Golden Corral, and there's Casey's, and there's AJ's, and there's John Boy's.
Yeah, one thing, I'm not sure if I want to go to AJ's. Maybe we should think of someplace else.
Oh, what's with AJ's?
I don't know. I don't like that guy there.
You don't like Morris?
The food is good. Yeah. Don't talk to him then. You don't need to engage with him.
But the second reason is during my last visit, I got sick both times I went there.
Oh, gee. No, that's a legitimate reason. Okay.
So, that was one of the times I threw up. The other time I threw up was actually from the Golden Corral.
Oh,
This has been going on for like 10 years now. There's some weird fucking stomach flus that are going around.
Yeah, I've been hearing that there's a new stomach flu that's going around, and it's coming out of both ends. That. Yeah.
No, there's
You see what kind of lady I'm married to?
Ah, fuck off, pig!
What I'm talking about is, it's where you seem like you've gotten better, then a few days later you end up getting sick again.
That's a relapse.
And that just started. So once some of these fucking things starts, I can get it like 2 or 3 additional times.
Okay.
Within a period of a couple of weeks.
Now, what happens if you have a stomach flu and you're on the toilet shitting out diarrhea, and all of a sudden you have to throw up and it comes on you real suddenly?
Well, get your ass off the toilet and your mouth in front of the toilet. And
oh God, no! Then with diarrhea in the toilet, that would be really nasty to stick your face in that. No, a better solution would be to take the wastebasket and put it in front of you while you're sitting on the toilet. That way you could throw up in the wastebasket while you're on the toilet.
Nothing got to worry about cleaning up the wastebasket.
Oh, you just do that in the bathtub, I would imagine. You see, there's a solution for everything.
Yeah, it may not be easy or simple.
See, if it's coming out of both ends at the same time, you have to be a little creative there.
How about a solution for people that people are being assholes? Or how about a solution for Satan causing her poop to stink?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Dear, keep an eye out for my
There's
turn.
railroad tracks. I think there's trons there.
Keep an eye out for my turn.
Not this one.
Okay.
How many trons go there?
I never counted them.
I don't see any. I haven't heard a tron since I've been here. Evanot, isn't that...
Are there ever heat-seeking trons?
Okay, all right.
Okay, well, we're about to bear right.
Yeah, this is the one. Oh, yeah.
Is this place close by, or?
Not terribly. It's about... Oh, boy. You'll see.
Oh, did you hear what the money-grubbing scumfucks are doing with the new cars?
No, what?
Like, if you want heated seats, they charge you a fee for it every month.
Really?
Yes.
I mean, I get that they charge extra for different features, but every month?
Yes.
It should just be one time when you buy the car.
Well, they're fucking criminal fucking scum. What do you...
Oh, that's unfucking believable.
I heard they might be charging extra for air conditioning.
Oh, no, that's not acceptable.
It ain't acceptable. They'll do it anyway.
Yeah.
What road are we on?
Oh, geez. All right, hold on.
Are we on Uwata Ave?
Are we already on 78?
Yeah, well, this is the limited access part of 78.
Okay, we're on 78.
Oh, this looks like a freeway.
Yeah.
Now, we will have to get over one lane to the left.
I just did.
Did you tell Russ about the time?
Oh, yeah, one time we were on this road. This was after we went through the closing, but before we actually moved in. We were staying here every weekend and bringing stuff over. So I was on this road, and the student driver whizzed past me, and we sideswiped each other. And,
Oh, is that where this happened?
Yeah, and the pig cited that it was my fault for what is it, failure to maintain lanes. I don't think so, but I'm not a pig, so... I mean, I'm a pig, but not that kind.
You're a pig, but not a bear.
A lot of pigs are bullies.
Yeah, that's why they become pigs.
That's why maybe that fuck 12 thing sounds good.
That what?
Fuck 12.
Oh.
You told me what it meant.
Fuck. I must have forgotten.
It means fuck the police.
Oh.
I saw that all over Murderapolis right after the riots.
Oh.
Fuck 12 as in Adam 12?
Maybe.
I suppose. You know what? I'm getting a little chilly. I'm going to turn this up a tiny bit. The AC is still on, though.
I'm still feeling good with it.
I know, but if the driver is not comfortable, then
Oh, something I wanted to tell you before we were rudely interrupted by something, but Jay didn't like it when I said pigs.
Why? Not PC enough for him?
I guess. Oh, I know I've been meaning to tell you this. Why Senator Amy Klobuchar is a cunt. We got distracted. I forgot to tell you something really.
Tell me.
About this you'll find this hilarious.
I probably will.
Because the mainstream media is not going to report on this.
Yeah.
Amy Klobuchar has gone into rampages, and she has thrown staplers at people.
Oh, how mature of her.
You got to understand something. Sometimes you have to go into a rage, and sometimes in order to get people to understand, to get your message. I mean,
yeah, but
Congresswoman Green has perfected that art.
Oh, yeah.
Is it rational or irrational? Is it a good reason or a stupid reason? And I told you about AOC. She's a fucking cunt. She's worse than Marjorie Taylor Greene. Because for a lot of reasons, she's a fraud. She's a fucking liar. She fucking lied about everything she promised she was gonna do, or try at least fight for. Mm-hmm. She fucking just bullshits around and beats around the bush on every fucking thing and doesn't fucking. So she's really fucking her base over, and people. But the shitlibs are telling us how great she is. But the ultimate thing about AOC, which I told you about, Jimmy Dore criticized her. And
what's a Jimmy Dore?
He's a comedian.
Oh.
And a political activist.
Isn't he anti-vax?
Yes.
I remember you told me that.
He got his first personal experience. He was telling people to get vaccinated. He told people they should get vaccinated, and he was injured by the vaccine. So, all right, now that this goes on YouTube, I got to put a disclaimer in here. The COVID vaccine is safe and effective, and if you get the COVID vaccine, it will slow the transmission of COVID.
I agree with that.
Well, no comments. I can't say anything else.
I know. Oh, we got sidetracked. I was going to bring something up. We were talking about throwing staplers. I did that once at this job that I was at when I was in my 20s. There was this one fucking bitch that worked there. Well, there was a bunch of bitches that worked there.
Were you fired after that?
No. Nowadays I'd be, but then you could kind of get away with it. Yeah, I worked with a bunch of goddamn fucking common cunts, and this girl kept...
let's stop this to make a party.
Oh, okay, make a party, and I'll start.